Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on ACER Chromebook 315. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings you have to select the Accessibility tab on the sidebar and then find Keyboard and Text Input option and tap on it. Switch the toggle to the right next to On-Screen Keyboard feature and it will make this keyboard icon appear on your taskbar. If you click on it on any page of your device, it will open an on-screen keyboard and you'll be able to start using it right away. And if you want to hide this keyboard, click right here. And to disable it, just switch this toggle to the left. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.